So today I blew up my hair and decided that I need a trim. Because why? Because of that. Like, what is that? That's a no-no. So let's cut it. I take a bang, like the amount that you would put in a bang. But my hair is really big, so it looks like a lot, y'all, but it's not if it was like straight or whatever. Anyways, you take it, I'm gonna put it up to the top and I'm gonna trim it off because that is not cute. Look at that. It's just but it had to go. So anyways, I don't really care how much I trim. It has to go. It has to go. So then you make a part on the side and you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna, well, trim it off. It has to go. Look at those ends. Do the same on the other side. You know, keeping it even and whatnot. Yeah. So then I take more from the top of my head, like my crown of my head, and then you're gonna do the same thing over. Trim it off. Because it gotta go. It gotta go. It has to go. You'll feel so much better when it's like all gone. It's like a weight lifted off of your shoulders pretty much. Well, literally weight lifted off your head. So make a nice part in the back, and then you're gonna bring those two pieces of hair to the sides of your head, and then take the ends off. Trim them off. And yes, one side will look longer because I started straightening my hair, and then I realized I didn't want to anymore. So, but in reality, it actually is the same length. So we're good now. Bring down some more hair and then trim it again. Wearing a nice white shirt actually helps because then you can see the ends. You know what I mean? If you know, you know. And this is it. I feel really good about it. I'm actually starting to feel myself because my hair just feels better. It feels, it feels nicer. So that's it.